Right, welcome back to the channel. This time I'm going to show you the lights that I'm going to be using on my drone, my Potensic Atom drone, that I can use to try to play around with the drone at night and just see if I can get a few night scenes with the drone. And those are the, if you can see those are the lights that I got from Amazon. They're very small, compact, and I got them all on the bottom of the drone. So I'm going to turn them on in just a second so you can take a look at it and see how they're lighting up and everything. So let me try those real quick and turn them on and see how they look. Hopefully it won't blind you. Okay, that's not too bad. I'm going to have them all on at the same time. Okay, there you go there. So should be able to see that real good once it's flying at night, and those lights you can see them a little bit there, and once it's up in the sky, even in the dark, you should be able to see those real good. And one thing I like about these particular lights, they have several different options that you can change it to get different colors or different light speeds, flashing modes. So that's really nice about it. So we're going to get that out and test it out and see how it looks and let you see some of the footage from what we get from this. So stay tuned for that one. We'll come back and show you that one in a little bit. Stay tuned. All right, looking at the lights on my drone. I just want to get it out here in the dark and see if I can get it to take off and fly a little bit just to see how it looks. Trying to get it to turn it on. Okay, there's the launching pad. Let's just see if we can get it to fly. Right there, the lights look pretty good. And I got my drone, if you can see that. There's my app. Just want to give it a quick flight just to see.
Connected. All point refresh.
Just want to see how it looks a little bit. It's a little windy. But the lights look pretty good. Get that up and see if you can see that a little bit. Hopefully you can see that. Lit up pretty good. Give it a little small flight. Not going too far. Back it up a little bit. Because the wind is picking up quite a bit, so we try to move it up just a little bit higher just to see how it looks. Looks really nice. Get a little bit of video footage. Bring it back down. It's not recording. Alright, that's pretty good. Hopefully you can see that. Alright. I think that looks pretty good there. Of course the app is not responding. That could be because it's dark out. Set it down. Alright, I think we're good. Welcome back once again, guys. I got a little excited after showing you the lights on the drone to fly out at night, and I had to go out real quick, go out to a little spot and try everything out and see how the lights look and how the drone look with the lights on it and everything. And I must say I was very pleased with the results and got a little excited. And although it was quite windy out, I didn't want to stay out there too long. I just wanted to get a little small quick flight and show the lights on the drone just a little bit to see how they were looking. And a little small quick flight, took it up in the air just a little bit, but it got a little windy, so I didn't want to go up too high. But the results were really nice. It looks really good. I'll tell you a little bit more about the lights that I use a little bit later in another video. But everything looked good. I hope you liked the little video piece that I showed you with the lights on the drone at night. Stay tuned for more TV34 Multimedia Productions, and we'll bring you some more footage with the drone and playing around with it and see what we can come up with. Thanks again for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you, and let me know what you think about the lights and how everything looks. Talk to you soon.